Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because late last night I got a package and it was my Alice in Wonderland stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and share on Facebook the unboxing, and then I'll share that video with you guys on YouTube. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Stuff I want to share with you is actually still available, and it's our Alice in Wonderland collection. So I just received mine last night. Now I only got the warmer and the wax because I already had the buddy, but I'm going to go ahead and share the buddy with you guys. And so you can buy it separately, or you can buy the bundle with the warmer, and when you do, you save money. So if you want both, go ahead and add the bundle. So let me go ahead and open it. So stinking cute. You guys, I love this collection. Wait till you see the warmer. It's insane how pretty it is. Right, so, and then afterwards, I'm going to talk about what's coming up on Monday, because we have quite a bit of stuff coming up on Monday. All right, so here is the adorable Cheshire Cat. Super duper cute, still available, absolutely adorable. Comes with the signature scent pack, which is We're All Mad Here, which smells amazing. So it goes inside of Cheshire Cat's back, and that's what makes him a scented plush. So he is still available, and he is adorable, and he's super soft, and one of my favorite buddies. So that is super duper cute. So I'll put him here for now. The next thing I'm going to share with you guys is the scent, because I absolutely love this scent, okay? And it's We're All Mad Here. And it's so fruity and so sweet and just yummy. This is such a good scent. Oh my gosh, you get the tart and the sweet all in one. So Scentsy describes it as notes of tart plum, strawberry, and pink sugar, all sparkling with a bright burst of fizz. And you can totally, like, oh my gosh, if you love like sugary scents, you will love this bar. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is the warmer. This warmer is out of control. It is so stinking pretty, and I got to see it while I was at Scentsy Family Reunion, so I've already gotten a chance to see it, and I had to have it. I had to have it. Okay, so they just called it Alice in Wonderland Scentsy Warmer. There's no other name for it, so let's go ahead and open her up. They did a good job on the box too. Look at how cute. The white rabbit and his time clock, and then look at how cute. So cute. All right, so let's go ahead and start opening it up. And oh, how stinking cute. The art on our boxes is literally the best. It says down the rabbit hole. So stinking cute. All right, so now let's remove that. Okay, so this is the lid, but I'm going to wait to show it to you. I'm just going to, it's so cute. So cute. All right. All right, and it's still available, you guys. So let me go ahead and get started. Now, this is an element warmer, and it has 2 pieces, but it looks like it has 3, but it doesn't. It has 2 pieces. So this is what it looks like. It has the Mad Hatter's hat on the bottom, and that's supposed to be 1 teacup. And then the next teacup up is the Cheshire Cat. And then the third teacup is, it's all about the White Rabbit, okay? And look at Alice going down the rabbit hole in the actual dish. So this is what it looks like. It looks like stacked teacups. And it's absolutely, positively adorable. That's the way it's supposed to go, just like that. And I think they did a great job on it. It turned out so pretty. I love the dish. The dish is just amazing. So good job, Scentsy. And so if you're wondering what is an element warmer, basically some of our warmers use light bulbs and some use a heating plate. And so that's what the element is. It's a heating element. And so that goes on top of there, and that's where you put the wax, then the wax melts. So that is what I have for you guys today. Super duper cute. I just love it. I love it. I was so excited for this one when my daughter Caitlin was growing up. Alice was her absolute favorite. Everything she had was Alice, Alice, Alice. So we're really excited about this one. We were super stoked to have it. So that's that. So we have the warmer, we have the bar, and we have the Cheshire Cat Buddy with the scent pack, and they're all available right now. So let me know. I have an order going in on Monday, which I'm about to talk about. So if you would like to order this, I would actually just go to my website and order it. I'll link it below because it can sell out at any time. It's a limited time thing. But also I am placing an order on Monday. And the reason why I have an order going in on Monday is, I'm going to show you. We have our Nightmare Before Christmas stuff is being re-released. This stuff has already released in the past, but it's going to be sold now at like rock bottom prices. They're trying to sell it because in the winter time we're going to get more of a Christmassy Nightmare Before Christmas collection. So this stuff is going away. So these are basically as low as you could possibly go. That warmer used to be like an $80 warmer. Now it's $35 and you get a free bar with it. A free Nightmare Before Christmas bar. And then the buddies, we have, we actually have Zero, we have Oogie Boogie, and then Jack and Sally. They used to be anywhere from 40 and up. I believe Oogie Boogie was 60. And you also get the Mayor Buddy Clip along with it for $25. So you pick which buddy you want, whether it be Oogie Boogie, Zero, Jack or Sally, and then you get this for a total of $25. This by itself used to be $20. So this is a huge deal. So this is the time to grab stuff for Christmas, you guys. Christmas is coming and these make great gifts. This warmer, and then we have another one which I didn't have out in my display, but it looks like it's Lock, Shock, and Barrel. The three characters that are in the bathtub. Their warmer used to be $30 as well as this one, and they're only $12. So Monday is the day to grab this kind of stuff. If you would like me to order it for you, let me know. We'll get on my pre-order list and I can handle that for you. If not, you can just go to my website on Monday and hopefully they'll still be there because they're trying to sell these out. That's why they put it at rock bottom prices. Let's see what else. The same day, Monday, we are actually putting a ton of stuff, new stuff in our clearance. So Monday's a big day, a good shopping day to start getting ready for Christmas. So let me know if there's anything you want me to grab for you, whether it be any of the licensed products or whatever, because I do have an order going in on Monday and I can take care of that for you. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having a great day. Hi, Sarah. I hope you're having a great day and I will talk to you later. Bye.